That new African is ready to fight his own battle.
Yo, mi xɔ agbendi miaƒe nukpɔlawo medo zɔna mi va Venyiba TV ƒe ŋdiwɔna gɔmedze metɔni magbɔe yenɔ dade ɖe wɔna me miakpɔ be fia va se ɖe gawo meda kple mi be mi le ɖekawɔwɔ me kplim le egbatɔ hã me ke metso mɔkpɔkpɔ ya do baba na ame sia ame nɔvinɔviwo ƒometɔwo yiwo ke le ŋutɔ me le miaƒe ŋutɔ me tɔŋutɔ me aƒe lɔƒo belɔƒo yiwo ke wo fukpem alo wo to etsi ƒe amenɖeɖe ƒe ƒuxɛma me tso ŋutsua va zo tsɔ kple egba me baba na mi katã. Yo míazɔ ɖe ŋgɔ akpɔ nu kae nye nyagblɔ ke míaƒe do ŋusẽ mía ɖokuiwo ŋdia yina motivational message mi dza wɔna gɔme kple nyagblɔ ɖeka va ɖo ke mi kɔ tua mía ɖokuiwo ke mi yɔna be miaƒe motivational message ke ne mi zɔ ɖe ŋgɔa mi gakpɔna nu kawo nye nyatsotsotsiwo ke tso miaƒe ŋutɔ me afia ne wolie ma ke mi zɔna ɖe ŋgɔ ayi ke ŋutɔ me atsa nyatsotso me akpɔ be kawo nye nya dranyiwo ke me dzrom amewo le ŋdia tɔni magbɔ ye miakplɔ ge wo ɖeke meli kom o gbagba dze be mia ade ŋu enyawo me ne ƒo ganyi mía katã mi dona dze mía katã mi dena ŋu enyawo me ale be 0242670773 enye nɔmba yi ke miezana 0242670773 enye nɔmba alo kafo dzesi yi ke miezana kɔ dona dze ke ale miɔnɛ ɖa ale miɔnɛ nam ɖa miaga awoe nam nenema le adzeɖoɖo ƒe akpadzi hã ale be mi katã miate ŋu awoe ne wa anyo. So don't kujiba Venyiba TV la Facebook ha Venyiba TV la Facebook Venyiba TV gale YouTube gale ya bara mamlo katanje ta ne emiajem akpɔ le Facebook afa ne no bia le betadu koroma kare Facebook alo na je Venyiba TV acho alodi acho Venyiba TV akodare upo status plato mo katanye alio ke miata premianchi alebe nyakpo wona na a peturo. All right, so me jago makula motivational message. So we'll go to our motivational message, and thank you for joining me in the show. We'll start with a brief motivational message, which is right on your screens. Never settle, fight for the life, the career, the dream that you deserve. Never settle, fight for the life, the career, the dream that you deserve. Amare kodare ya boloji chomo pomo pogo nyanyare kanya salbo. Elare ha machedare ya bo alabe ya body ya bole kenya taze acho azo mi apazo lele agbegbe anwe. Ala kujugba enwo jona ke jinamba temire and nanye mi anwo magobe never settle for less. Never settle for less. Shigera bo na nyatu amu nyadura manjo ble njojo va retaki atamina na mako anana mi bojona anana mi magaten wona mi okujo nyawo le okujo be nyawo wo mata no bafia go never settle. And I'm thinking you should be never settle for less. Magabojo rokyo adidido kyo aboya mala kamo markamalina yo ko ajani blow ajani pro no magawana na magacho ni jefa akwani no for never settle for less. Okay, in life no mojo jonya to baba musa sample to do not settle for less in life. Fight nyale ko wona afu nyale ko wona ntefe nyale ka ujana baba ya atutwero ko yamaroki durango, you know. So never settle, fight for the life, okay, the career, the dream that you deserve. Fight for the life, the career, the dream that you deserve. Agbeka jim na lebia no lekene jibe ka gbana no. Nkpopo ke la shio to doi kene jibe awo. Dreku ka la shio. Chaka no wo to benche ko ko dali. Makaba musa sam ame ka pere ngwa valio. Non la no fino vio mukavalio. Ramata ya achonyi jepako anyumoko chopa araba mi kana tanga wo churu chunchi tapi kana tanga wa na we fifia araba dumahia makamanya ke acho ano. Right, so nana mai mi jenya fa ndi mona gomima ke nya azorango akbo nukawenye undercover ke nya tan acho ako adonse nyarukio le egbame ke in fact ye mamio ke mia azoronga pu nka ni na jojo ke chunga pentome mia de howide.com ya para howide.com quickly mia ponya jokawele afma ntia ha ke ne mio howide.com mia hudu jojo are aba ho bodashi chu am ke demo banami le mia fa wonama alaba nemika troba naturally jakbo na jojo ke chi balma no for taude donc yiwe acho fa chi fa jaja tanya ba nya jojo no fa ke moto siaro kreko ongona bana rola chi docho chi do funo la gbegbe siaro ko ku vai ba yo vai pole pe pane ba ko yo to bra ko chi ko mo kata nyana ne ke yijile agentome ala gbegbe. So, banner we are playing Yabwaka. Alright, Holiday.com news. Holiday.com news, that's what we have there. Holiday.com news, just a quick one. Accra floods claim 9 lives. Accra floods claim 9 lives. That's what we have right there. A chief farmer, a chief Funya Plato Cho Yikawai. And I'm on my shaking here cool again at you. I'm a day of a ton at 200 adrenaline shake ye cool again at you. The achiever I'm the day for a yam. So that's the first sad story. Very sad story right there. I'm the kadeka who wama shake ye cool again Tom at you. Mahama unveils 20-year Accra decongestion plan. Mahama unveils 20-year Accra decongestion plan. Mahama very alekachi amodem le again Tommy and our ajaba yo ro suba amo na ya afwe amo subore giapa okay amo subore giapa ta ajaba yo ro suba amagere na troyode ye pede je suba achifa madada eha le beto subore gi tagbero subo amato fomelio amano fomelio ukataleme that is something we have over there. Okay. Accra floods claim 9 lives. Mahama unveils 20-year decongestion plan. Reba chofifia as repo blave ka bonama. Ajo yo katan ko jiru shaji na chapapa shababa. Ba amme ko subore ki tantantale wotro yode. Yo cho jiru don paro ajoye le giama parce suba duame nanyano manya meshamo nyamba onogi manya meshamo nanogi afio mahama onya onyo manya ba meshamo nanogi afio ta that is it le bla be ke gbona ma ajibe yon gbagba sha bo ajen ko subo yo don se nto shanto bo subo amuna ron beri yo nu yo de enyi anu mo na fa bor mo fia game chori game no ka bla to son aviva trova princho wona alan kura gbang na alan kura game hong na ku na to to kata mo ka na ko ka yo le kia beton subo averro po meglio un kutu ta po meglio bo hitchi betofo mo kata ina siamo dem eji globe climate change and behavior should be blamed for the deluge. Mahama blames climate behavior for Accra deluge. Ta eji globe egbe aleke beto subo regia ena be beto fa gboro mi to ma po nu ona ro mi fa gboro ro o lem afi chi amodem dia ma ma ko nchoro na mi re ji be apoba picture background na enye Accra kata gia kata jele ya mavume ma to kokora no ya mavume cho chala gia kata ta udashika hanu kwamba awa gyalanya yotu kolenya awa gyalanya la yama vuma ta gyakata jala yama echo okay jala yama chokata raba mama no yama vuma no chacham ne kya bungu kata ka no jin ka yo lampu ngwa ka kanya ko ba glenya bo body nyon ton ba e yama tro ayama tradun ku ya paru ko vaya aba po vanya ton vaya ima nyanke chia jao chi ma jaro do bi ngo apoba pepi hamadure de pepi kwa do yo akonfia ta yamo watro mawo o to tro ru to yamanchi alo mion to mia pa anu sazan mia pa adujo mia pa mi o kami de do re am kalam se kuku tu pa papa e perari tu pa papa beto we tu ha o yonachi to ha o yonachi ki kama kata ko bu beto tro le fatrio beto ko bosusu vifo alame ikana be mo ba tronem ta nyamao onye nyayo ke kamia la ke bu la be nyano vino o le giakwe miano vino viola kia kweta ma onye nyo kama chuka mi bana pa na afukani na kpole mi TV odia kpogo gema o no tata ma o de cho gia kata yo no tata ye ma o de cho la ya mo fu me helicopter me tu kopla no pleo chimo algo cho picha cho ya mara ko na kpogo chi ho la kata ke tuko problema no yamovume ta yamovu me la fin pa la himba ke anwo yiyi choma ka ha chi de viare yema pa me mi la TV oji chi de la via nyo ka la magbana nya o ma fiam me ni chi de viare via o jilogui de kiosme ala cha amodem ke pio kiosme momole ko chiako bra foundation agomaru pe ke ju de kiosa ro chi anya tutu ra ko eko cho kiosa ko na bo di via no kiosa me au mi hona bro kiosa pa mu di via gaje anyiba egbe eko chiako jina taro futu amachi chao milina awo fia no ha gulugulu ta fiaro vai fongile e mo le ta beto vino ema o ko va dare bota madako ta ema amo ma sheke yeku la cho lege ta mi do babane piano vino vio per mi apono no to yo ke lege yo ke afoku yo va je all right mi aga tron ayide holiday.com fan aga bunyar cover of makuka mihu tumachuchuta. Baba. South Africa migrants brace for June deadline. We throw the better because South Africa and young Lefiachi, Nyara Maramo, South Africa, to Coplama Pomina, Cyril Ramaphosa, and Cyril Ramaphosa in South Africa top president. Odo Wajin, Yakamina Ponka Murena, Toy, Kenyan Bahi Communaria. Banyak kekeke melokata coba tadu koma no troyode tanya no vino vio yo kai South Africa bata coba ba kon kekeke no. So that's the South Africa migrants brace for June deadline egba ye over South Africa view no but tadu koma vio ka South Africa no troba ba por yala ma party pledges loyalty after Croatia heartbreak. Party pledges loyalty after Croatia heartbreak. Thomas Partey on data elahoide.com na jina like pofuma apum aloma Croatia bioji le abo ubo na ikeba ijima ya kabo homayo fila gbona niga ball fuga kwa Colombia fia fio for chi kwa musa kwa court delays want to me verdict to July. Court delays want to me verdict to July. Want to me Thomas Boisiako chairman want to me. He can Ashanti tomato of NPP freshman ola for Afia Chucho Yoko the Bochu. July 3rd, you can Finagba a holiday jita ututunga kakoide ngo. And that those are some of the things we have here. Nyako bola ba mati bifandi ona nje. Ton magwanya plom ma ho to chuchukiare ma aho badashi da kabaro chomyo de mabana. Afi nyam kosen. Kana matrova nya zorango donku jiwa wrist stitches. Victoria na mato. Magbana.
Oh. No silence ever English dictionary. Yatepe. But see dictionary akara zon fi de passer K. No silence ever English dictionary standard ton standard yeah. And you know the view. And you know the view canola basic level. And you know Americanola SHS. And you know Americanola University. Allo the language you want. Nanya make a manya by view. I be a strong but craha. No silence ever English dictionary. And you know ha. I must make a nanya by view mujura po. And be a strong but baha. No silence ever English dictionary. And you know mama. Nala dile was so mad than a player. At place order le Amazon. Allo number can I follow screen Nigeria. Open to me to the can also have a African la. Nyako no silence ever English dictionary. Aqua coveno. No silence ever English dictionary. And you tom.
Looking to ship products from Germany to Ghana? Nivage Services makes it simple. We ship groceries, health supplements, books, and everyday essentials directly from Germany to you. Imagine buying authentic groceries, toiletries, and fresh dairy hassle-free from Germany. Our reliable service brings the best of German quality to you. From cereals to health supplements, snacks to toiletries, we've got you covered. Shopping is easy. Contact Nivage Services and we handle the rest. Fast, reliable, hassle-free shipping you can trust. WhatsApp us at +233 591 415 506.
Hello viewers, welcome to Rex Stitches. Afi enye nyonwo plentuo penu tofe. Your wedding gown, your strauss, office wear, beach wear, you can name them. Sports wears for both male and female. Ne miajima antewa kpomi le powerhouse le ho ne eyina de Frajet Hotel nye le moji tututututu ne chobi nine junction na de Frajet Hotel gbo tututututu afima emie lenye ma. You can reach us on this telephone number 0246 256 300 0246 256300.
Go. Oh, what the? Let go, Joy.
Oh, very much. If I don't quit them, you can do put. I have too much ready toy. When you want to put a killer.
Oh,
Never for fun. Never had too much to move. Come on, not to go.
that another Abraham fever, kind of lay a party to point of boy hour. But the husband had the dinner no fear. Coco not do not forget when you are fun of passing when you went on young Kurama. Well, a party cocoa for your Hokatara.
Well, when not to go.
Vai, but I can also go. In the big dad as a Cremonton top. Vola Patica, Busiolo, wait off here.
When you vola tobo, you mon no Chicago, Mopong Jaja.
Vola chika no plan na zama fiva nana kama furaga nao mashama nazi
Nyapa toto wala toto fita itanye za vola chika nyato matoro ha woza vola chika fufu jijila ama
this vola piki vola baby
ma una yira vola to ona wala masa
vola pachika wala chika drapo kata alo gado pa doyo pamela akblawu wojango St. Peter and Paul Catholic Church atututu le hoa apola old fashioned la akwe kala kwakwe a gada wojila agodoma Yellow House Street wojango local restaurant atututu opa dopo la budi gba ochogba chongdiga adrekla afaba dashina fiega aton kala mamli da gbawa oja dogo mandiga andrekla afa adashina ndogawi efe pokana vola le 0244 512 1450
vola
Nina nemiayi vola eba senda afima mi apoto yoyola nyadeba vola fifa lo akuluri le fuda now alele le fuda now domaru le fuda now achite padaka ofuto makata meleto otu akame wa ofuto ofukame ofukame tutu dokata vola eba senda Dr. Prosper Debeneba apoto. Come on. Vola.
kadon kwajiba vola pachika monyuna funo
Yo, mi afọ bola akpana mi be mi chia venye ba TV. Le TV kata duma ba TV ka anya mi ato mi ro popon di shandi. Mi apendi ona enya ji enya Tony Magwo ye mi aplon le wono pa. Ni le nyama jojo. Na jojo balo mo chung ke non fonction nya jojo chu mi apa muganto mafia kung alo ayo ka kani au la nyao nya tafuma ejo kata echija la kintoma le hofia le nyao ke de echifa amure de ame no tatare ma misiami dongo ikanya di fiare ke echile de borong ke ndo tapachewa no tatama ako sesbena marano una banyak cocok kakak bodo okbare klina nyediro ke mia akbo enya kawenye enya tujola enya tujo mana bubu aro mayo ke kenyasi de leka mwa jocho chifama de plafofon ke va no chopon ke tamta nya tujo ba ke umata ngolo umata wondo ruha Chop nya jo ko tare nya fu no ji nya po ai ko cha chan la un tuo me no ba no man pla to mu twi na ma era tai o je nya no ben bati di plus super ni sa wi ka jo jama nya si donc je ben bati le Facebook à le YouTube ha ta na ma no ya ti bon ha ata pom nya no nya ko sam le o TV oji alo funji funya la sioko akpo ben bati le eji all right ke mi akpo nya jo balama the daily searchlight floods claim 9 lives in Accra. Floods claim 9 lives in Accra. The game to ma pok banot ta de varema baba jembe ya tochima ke do babeto a chi garma chono wakata a chi do love macho ma poemile o ma sheke kula game to ma. More rains coming, meteorological agency. More rains coming, meteorological agency. Siufa dobe ke pona ya mafakanya oji boblombe echi gajajaga le bubata ni no kalalo echi gajajaga awucha. Black Stars World Cup knockout ticket prices spark concern as cost hit levels beyond reach for many Ghanaian fans. Black Stars World Cup knockout ticket prices spark concern as costs hit levels beyond reach for many Ghanaian fans. Le ballon for the Ghana yo ke doji jorabo kuku nchi uko no tara jemat ma wo glombe bolu to fogami nasia ikanya knockout stage ikapya bane mo tapopo ke de minuto mo hin banya glomo na uwe tiketi alo bujo yamo bujo ike ujabo khafya ba bu abo khoshale gbegbe ba khoshale gbegbe ta ana number amekanya vidora vivi dola de abofo nyang gbogbo ayo masanya gomori leke nyenka leke abu ya pom le tan ni jopo nya da kawo be mi kata apa yang disimala mo bibi mala mo blu mala mo ko mala mo kristo mala ma usa to le konto mi kata ko mi tar mi dunali ko o ji jo hen na ko nke jo nke mala jo ko da de ya mo bu joji ala gbagba ma ya so de Black Stars World Cup knockout ticket prices spark concern as cost hit levels beyond reach for many Ghanaian fans. Don't travel to South Africa unless absolutely necessary, Ghana warns citizens. Don't travel to South Africa unless absolutely necessary, Ghana warns citizens. Oba migazo mo in South Africa. Migazo mo in South Africa. Na mehia pao igazo mind South Africa na mehia pao okuja tono watatala manya juu toma kaka kona Ghana tuko kwepa kachacha beta tuko wo chi. MPP engages flood politics as people drown. Party accuses Mahama government of deepening Accra flood crisis. MPP engages in flood politics as people drown. Party accuses Mahama government of deepening Accra flood crisis. MPP to Ogafo Chikamolam to party for Agauma Uboblombe Aike Echiamolam amukupla gento Mahama wajidudu alam afi Echiamolam ama ojiro ashilam ala bogboni ba doro chone zumla banawo bonro gota maham ono berolo resirkio ji gento ba mama baro ko bakbe ma shirka zumla yo ton chi wo to ma mata ro ang go ukla to ta ru lo ba tere ko ta o mana ba chi ma kutufo and ma gwen ti tole ma the business analyst. Mahama announces relief for flood victims. Mahama announces relief for flood victims. Business analyst hanya jojo bana udu motoraka. Business analyst hanya jojo bana udu motoraka lagi. Ya bo glombe. Mahama be yo babaje gakpere amioka echidan chifle and gakple envi yaro ko acho ano bagbe ali raba agbe gbana sesega no tota yo bagbaje ga okperan hweare na amioka echiade. Insurance brokers advise flood victims to document damage before filing claims. Insurance brokers advise flood victims to document damage before filing claims. Insurance dopo yo kboda gavi vi jojola boshi den ka kavon patao swam tuta ugbogblomba me okata achivala no jawagba onwolon nyo kagbene nyo ka chagbeno obuji alo dara yin ati afudu babo yo ho bakbare mcho yo insurance companies ogbo itenye dopo ke benare amuchina fukupata ba joro jalo na nyaton pa nyatora majiaro over to amunchi. MPP blasts government over flood response, demands urgent action. Magbo Justin Kodia Frimpom itenye balajigla gane NPP tole kanakata glogodo non watatele fia ke ukank manajirua MPP tokank manajirua ba ntapo kong la chika modemo ma o ntapo mo ruko afo traman ba wo shon ale ko je wa bala ale we okwela me okay achieve dencha yo makpona na MPP blasts government over flood response, demands urgent action. Ginger prices to remain high for 2 years, expect warns. Ginger prices to remain high for 2 years, expect warns. Over akmetak yoshi ejinoka bobo la papa yoka boname amare ke be nyam to akblede le akblede shinyanchi a Greek economists yefom o ale yo nkpome danku mo kaka akmetak yoshi jinoka bobo la papa yoka boname. GMET issues fresh rain alert as Accra flood toll rises to 9. GMET issues fresh rain alert as Accra flood toll rises to 9. GMET, Jiru, what the wetnya Yamafaka dofa Dunku Jingo Yamahu Goba, if you have a chant to when I should come out to the death toll from Monday's devastating floods that swept through large parts of the Greater Accra region has risen to 9, even as the Ghana Meteorological Agency warns that more rainfall is expected across Accra and surrounding communities. The latest warning has heightened focus of further flooding in the capital, where hours of torrential rain left roads submerged, displaced residents, destroyed property, and brought transport and commercial activities to a standstill. The Ghana National Fire Service, GNFS, confirmed that 9 people have so far lost their lives in the floods, although officials fear the number could rise as rescue and recovery operations continue in affected communities. Time over a chia tonto to Fiafio Berger, Fiafi Chibona. fifia fichi bona jirupa do pe ka kara ma fa gbe ma na ka jirupa do pe bona ejo chichi ejo foku fo chichi para afoku amarela foku ma foku yo chidam foku yo yokonya Ghana National Fire Service on gbogbo ayo chagia kata gogodo yo gbeja ma sheke ku wo yo vovomba amo katanga kuma na mima bonyo apa yang bati before ndi ona nya ji to ni magbo ye nya plom la wona ma karon kuji ba apa yang bati village fuga hostel o technical universities am PPP atagre nya jak premium chi alba nya a dojo pleo nya akbarango alba washi ka chabnya le konadi la ganakata globoto the overseer Okai Minta declares bid for NDC National Youth Organizer. Okai Minta declares bid for NDC National Youth Organizer. Okai Minta de kajo no tatakon la bana tada ma ba no chai alwa yanya sohyo fola alo sohyo no nola le NDC ama le ganakata globoto ta amekanya nunala sohyo nunala ameka fuate sohyo yanya ameka fuate sohyo le en disi akataba Ghana kata globodo. My warnings were ignored. Ebonoa reacts to deadly floods. My warnings were ignored. Ebonoa reacts to deadly floods. Ebonoa unotata elefia Ebonoa ekenya fofolare mujaka fofolare ke batru piobe zu ya glori la le pe ke vai fo jingnam le tom ik ida central region elmina takuradi centre mo ke pos lopo ik vatiami le apology we ye akrugaro won prosuba betona garamana achibara mo afu choba yegbogba rokola ye dakosa shina chokai rawo ora funai alaba otsewa ya yang gboglola yeglelo bebono abegle. My warnings were ignored. Ebonoa reacts to deadly floods. Eric, okay, so there's that. Ebonoa makarajibo gabon you much of ya haro. You see evidence NADMO orders residents to vacate Wager Dam spillway areas immediately. NADMO orders residents to vacate Wager Dam spillway areas immediately. NADMO ikanya jirupa dope kakbona amrila fokupatao for NADMO National Disaster Management Organization na fokupatao joko ufuna dupla suba yokutana nyama ogolomba ambetale weja antoma yoke tu hore weja toshishi kama tuo ukata nunamo alaba chibaraga mashama na namocha mashama na dogura la chapa moji alaba mararago la kakaboyoka bonama. All right, me up with the National Enquirer. The National Enquirer, National Day of Prayer and Thanksgiving sets for tomorrow. National Day of Prayer and Thanksgiving sets for tomorrow. Resetting our values to build the Ghana we want. Resetting our values to build the Ghana we want. Resetting our values to build the Ghana we want. Yenye tumenyachi kocho daricho na Ghana katago gudukwe badudura wona. Prayer and Thanksgiving sets for tomorrow. Choy Kagbona yenye National Day of Prayer and Thanksgiving. Da dukokro no tatama lefuma egbedomra National Day of Prayer. Choy nye Ghana kata pun kekeke uchia be mia dogbera. Ble mia dakpana mau. Interestingly, mawunya shang makbo apostle ikenye Apostle Dr. Eric Nyamiche Pentecost have no laga no tatalafuma makbo Sheikh Usman Nuhu Sharabutu one of tatalafuma ikenye Chief Imam elafuma arabo wacho osa habo bore share na gara klojiado bara dakwana mao araba tumanya chenyo du monya kwa nuono na bu atro araba gane ke jime mila mikata nyakwe yenye tumanyachi. So Ghana will tomorrow, Wednesday, July 1, 2026, observe the National Day of Prayer and Thanksgiving, bringing together Christians, Muslims, traditional authorities, government officials, and citizens across the country in a united call for divine guidance. And I don't know that a choice bona mikatami yukuja do bara adakbara mau ba mau na premianchi du kwa kejime mla nyakbo du koma na su du kotu tutu ikanye du koyo kejime mile. All right, nyaka pokbalon tadera nyara la fuma floods reflect failure of sanitation enforcement. Floods reflect failure of sanitation enforcement. The Kajar about Tata Gromba, a chi Kamiara Mchia, Mokatanya Jeshiba, Aleko Jabba, Nyakbala, the Nyapa, the Dino Bo Jachi, Nyanya Panyao, if Yema Jaji, Nyanya Panyao, you can much of you in our Chinyarba. All right, drug abuse threatens national security, Jilos Debra. Drug abuse threatens national security. Jilos Debra Makbo, a number and a number, a chumavala to call, Daninji, a chuanuna no in to call, Dapa de Genono, Nano Tevia Temwa, Kazimiak Bower, Amachivoyo, Beresia, Solo, no, Peto, Ikanabo Coledom la Achitrum Petomata, Mia, Alavu. NPS shuts flooded fuel stations. MPS shuts flooded fuel stations. But what would you tell me? That Alifia Kenya Jiru Domaga, Ekakbona, National Petroleum Authority, Aloju, Topekakbona, Petro, Alomo Memi, Pashachala Ganakataji, Ocha, Alava, Otu, Amijrapa, Petrol Station, Okata, Yoka, Tomo Yoka, Echivara, Otu, Alava. Atanaba Naglango, when a chile petrol station, Alona Ami, Petro, Chakakretia, Amiano Nachiatama, and also some, another Jew, Atara Biazocho, a Chijimik Malaseco, a paro for ye. So MPS shuts flooded fuel stations. Chief of Staff calls for human-centered AI to shape Ghana future educators. Chief of Staff calls for human-centered AI to shape Ghana future educators. President Special Envoy for Interfaith and Ecumenical Relations, I should think. Elvis, a free anchor of Tataji Mafia. Elvis, a free anchor of Tataji Mafia. Ikanya Jiudomagaka Kona. Interfaith Jehoso Katafa Kachachale Tumafafa Nchi Chidu Dopareli Kakwana Kachacha Ika Ano Osa half vovo Plato Duba Suba Tumafa Nano Dukoma o Magai Photo of Jubilee Hasatume free anchor. You know that Afuma. All right. Okay. Nyapang pola. Tony Magbanya nyaplom de ndiwona. Ka kama suba mahudu chuchuare na vai ho badashi chu amuka de magbanamnya le di wɔna me ɖo ŋku dzi be míaƒe wɔna yim le exɔ le Chimfuga hostel la me tututu le afia ne míadzim be yeakpɔ mi koa va Chimfuga hostel alebe ne agre míadzi míakplɔm tso kple bubludodo. Amewo katã ƒe ŋkɔse geme le afia wonye mía nɔviwo yiwo kpekpe ɖe mía ŋuti kple ga alebe wɔna edua kpem ɖo wɔna gbe ɖe me ale gbegbe. Wotsia ƒe nyigba TV be enye TV wo nuteƒewo dometɔ ɖeka le amegãtɔ me katã glogodo. Ta ne mi gbɔ miafia mi ale ke miada akɔnye eƒe nyigba TV alebe ame aɖewo to megbemegbe woɖo nye ŋkɔ ɖa wotsia nye hã be manye nyadzɔdzɔ kaka la wo nuteƒewo dometɔ ɖeka le ŋutɔ katã me. Ne mi trɔ va miafia ale ke miakpe ɖe mia ŋuti alebe mia adakɔ miaƒe ŋkɔ nagayi dzi awu tsã. Yo nukpɔlawo meɖo asisi to ʋe megadzo TV agbɔ ne metrɔ va miazɔ ɖe ŋgɔŋgɔe nye Tony makpe ta dzim le yabɔ kata dzi akpɔ nana ngo Tony makpe ko enya kpɔ ga nyi le ma tututu mino kame mino kachacha me alebe mia ƒona na aga ɖe gbawo tsã ne mia kɔ sem le fia ɖe ke nya dzɔdzɔ ɖe va enyi menɔ le fia ko ŋdzɔdzɔ ɖe ŋlɛ ɖe anyi aɖe va ke dzɔdzɔ na wo tro funa leke na li kaba tsia akɔro ɖe 0242670773 quickly albe ne lem da ɖe nya na ŋuƒom tso nu yike dzi ŋkɔ ne dze fi ke ne ŋuƒom tso ne dze ale ko minɔ ya dzɔdzɔ dɔ wo minɔ kpɔ ŋkɔ miakpe mia ŋuti miawɔ kpama ko miawo mamlea alebe dua na se ŋkɔ yo megbɔna gadzo.
No silence ever English dictionary. Yatepe. But see dictionary aka zo afi ni pasi K. No silence ever English dictionary standard ton yeah. Standard yeah. Enyone de view kanu le basic level. Enyone ame kanu le SHS. Enyone ame kanu le university. Alo le language on. Nenya me ke menye be view. Ebi a strong be kra ha. No silence ever English dictionary. Enyone ha. Ame sia me ke nenya be view mo jura po. Ele bi a strong be ha. No silence ever English dictionary. Enyone wa mama. Ele dile ko so ma de na kula. Atia place order le Amazon. Alo number ke na call screen Nigeria. Opo to me to the can na WhatsApp afisi african la nya call no silence ever English dictionary akwa koveno akpe no silence ever English dictionary enyon tom.
Looking to ship products from Germany to Ghana? Nivaj Services makes it simple. We ship groceries, health supplements, books, and everyday essentials directly from Germany to you. Imagine buying authentic groceries, toiletries, and fresh dairy hassle-free from Germany. Our reliable service brings the best of German quality to you. From cereals to health supplements, snacks to toiletries, we've got you covered. Shopping is easy. Contact NiveAJ Services and we handle the rest. Fast, reliable, hassle-free shipping you can trust. WhatsApp us at +233 591 415 506.
Hello viewers, welcome to Rex Stitches. Afi enye nyonwo plentuo penu tofe. Your wedding gown, your strauss, office wear, beach wear, you can name them. Sports wears for both male and female. Ne miajima antewa kpomi le powerhouse le ho. Ne eina de Frajet Hotel. Nye le moji tututututu. Ne chobi na junction na de Frajet Hotel gbo tututututu afima emie lenye ma. You can reach us on this telephone number 0246 256 300 0246 25 6300.
Oh, what the? Let go, Joel.
Oh, baby, ma. If I don't quit them, you can do put. I can't do my traditory. When it warms, but a killer.
Oh,
the mother from the mother tell my two. Come on, not go. Oh,
that another Abraham fever, I can't lay a party to call for boy hour. But the husband that didn't run fear. Coco ina duna for Garawunya, Yapon or Passy Banico, who went on Yan Furama. Well, a party for Yahoka Catarage.
When not go.
Vai, but I can't sugo. Itabica that is the Cremonton to. Vola Paticawa, Busiolo, wait off here.
Where you vola to you man no Chicago, Mokbong Jaja.
Vola chika no plan. Na zama fiva nana kama furaga nao. Mashama nazi.
Nyapa to do wala to fita. Itanyeza vola chika. Nyato matoro ha. Woza vola chika fufu jijila ama.
This Vola Piki.
Yeah.
Vola baby.
Mauna yura vola to. Onaula masa.
Vola pachika wala chika drapo kata alo gado pa dayo pamela akblawu wojango St. Peter and Paul Catholic Church atututu le hoa apola old fashioned le akwe kala hwahwe gada woji le agodoma Yellow House Street wojango local rice jwala atututu opa dopo le budi gba ochogba chongdiga adrekla afaba dashina fiega aton kala mamli da gbawa oja dogoma ndiga andrekla afa adashina ndogawi efe pokana vola le 0244 512 1452
vola vola basenda afima mi apoda yola nyadeba vola fiva law akuluri le fuda now alele le fuda now domaru le fuda now achite padaka ofuto makata mele to won yidewa eti makolo no ba na ile vola heba center ikele jengo applaud Victoria Park afima na kodo wotu akame wa ofuto wofuka ome ofuka matutu dokata vola heba center Dr. Prosper Debeneba akodo come on
kadon kwajiba vola pachika monyona funo nyonu yo no nama vikle de fio mo hopo ye vo
Nane mano monsieur Eye na menzwale De konakpanya moda Menye de me fion yo Ayaye pomlo Ayaye pomlo De konakpanya moda
La wenga TV for Diona yo nyama jukpaji inyia miero toni magbo ni aplom ke enya jojo subo alegwegwa abadi mama kuene ekpo ayo kenye nyadzogbalẽ ke tso nyadzɔdzɔ ŋɔƒo le nyawo nyateƒe mea etsi ƒe fuɖename etsɔ yi ke va yina be nyime te ŋu bo nyadzɔdzɔgbalẽwo zã mi dze agbagba tsenku tso nyadzɔdzɔƒo katã mi dze agbagba yi ke miate ŋu adze gake akpɔ be la mi me kpo nyadzɔdzɔ to nenema va leke mi kpɔnɛ ɖe atsiae nɔ elabe kafla nyadzɔdzɔ ŋlɔƒo yiwo ke zãna pepa mote ŋu dɔ etsɔ yi ke va yi abe leke wodzi be wodɔ nɔ kaka nyadzɔdzɔgbalẽwo ke nye fonu dzi nyadzɔdzɔ ŋlɔƒe yawo wo dɔ ta madzi be mia akpɔ o ɖa ke mia age ɖe wo medzodzro me ke emi wo xlẽm kɔ na ɖo ŋku dzi be ekpli wo wɔna wɔm 0242 670 773 enye nɔmba yi ke nate azã akɔ check ava kplim 0242 670 773 enye kaƒodzesi alo nɔmba yi ke nate ŋu azã akɔ age ɖe ekame gba kplim etsi ƒe ŋugbegblẽ eɖe fu ale gbegbe eʋuwo kesinɔnuwo kpetɔ etsɔe kɔ TV vovovowo wo nuteƒe mi mekpɔna wɔta ɖeke fie miakpɔ TV vovovowo wo ta tso miawo ŋutɔ miaƒe ŋutɔwo me afia aƒe le afia katã emɔ katã dze be mia akpɔ ɖa ta mi le madzidzimɔ mi wo katã kpɔ ge ɖa ke ma yi ɖe City Newsroom nyetɔ atso gbagba dzem le megbea be video katã yi ke tsatsã ya va dzi kloe kɔ miwo katã kpɔ ge ko aɖo ɖe mi ale be me sia me nase ale ke ŋugbegblẽwo alo ŋudzɔdzɔwo wo dzim le miaƒe ege ŋutɔ me kple susu be miakpɔ leke miazrɔ̃ ŋgɔ ale be NADMO dziɖuƒe dɔwɔƒe ke kpɔna afɔku kpata ƒe dzɔdzɔ dzi mi se be wonɔ aba mam so NADMO was sharing bed yesterday eme hã ame be aba mawoe nye mi ke dzɔdzɔ ma aba ƒe mawoe nye kpletɔ eme hã hã le mia gbɔ ke nyadzɔdzɔ ɖe va tu mi kpata wobe woɖiɖi petroƒasi ve wogaɖiɖi petroƒasi ve le etsɔ yi ke va yi me. So that's that NPA reduces petrol price floor from 13.39 to 17.75 per litre and diesel from 11.11 to 13.54 per litre effective July 1. Now, no be floor ala nyonya te ba me ba mia pasi ye odidi haro kaka che wo glombe asia tanga didi aga uma epojiru de susware to me ko sube amiopa ashi magadidi awu ehuaro kaka de susure kavarota ogadi to me ko sube ami fashaga di ruma so Miller City Newsroom ke mi akpo nyajo ko la be ke ngwali ke mu jo fiako mi magaten nyajo gbanu mom na mo ala we kafie fu na bia cho ege abaro fia romania eto va to shi va chungo na guata that's ta mi le nyajo to chu pa gba lo pogara kon le mi o wona pa ya City Newsroom. Ghana National Fire Service rescues 479 people in floods, fires, 5 dead, 1 missing. Fears. All right, so that's what we have there. Ghana National Fire Service rescues 479 people in floods, fires, 5 dead, 1 missing. Like Banika Pomi left over Jupiter Pona, Amore la Fokupata, the Am Alofan, Blandre for Shiki. Cho chief our home cho family le mai mama matanku America bu kaka nyajojo a obuchi megbefe aba mi ro paji ndia cho miapo do hacho kale kintoma mi kpoba mu oku awu emata mi City Newsroom aba mi megbefe alo odemi are doaja ejijibe ndi ya pe mi okpo mi la afia ba mama sheke maku ebo jiu do pe kele tatene nya gbogbo mbe atanga do be amara ku awu so that's what we have. That's what we have there. Okay, we got a city newsroom me kajojo mai mi blona arong jibe voyin ba TV an tapon ba jen fu New York the jom ike nya jojo dun kyo nya jon ton e blon mi ta mi blona le kole ta ona no tujiku anya kata sege le mi agbo. All right, so Mahama cites climate drainage and human activity for Accra flooding. Mahama cites climate drainage and human activity for Accra flooding. The president, John Dramani Mahama, has attributed Monday's severe flooding in Accra to a combination of unusually heavy rainfall, climate trends, weak drainage systems, and human activities, following an aerial tour of affected areas in the capital in Accra on June 29. Speaking after inspecting flood-hit communities, the president said the scale of flooding recorded in the city was among the worst in recent years, with rainfall levels far exceeding previous records. He noted that about 140 millimeters of rain was recorded in Accra within a single day, compared to a maximum of 56 millimeters on a typical heavy rain day last year, describing the volumes as unusually high and overwhelming for existing drainage systems. According to him, rainfall patterns provided by the Ghana Meteorological Agency show a steady increase in intensity over recent years, with June rainfall totals rising from 85 millimeters in 2024 to 172 millimeters in 2025 and 333 millimeters in 2026 over comparable periods. That's all. Bila kowe vai mafua chisa santo kakija popokumano ba blood devil blood tonva den kakafua mapachi kaja ni chokwazo chowaya popokoma anya alofara ka blood ne ta bobo jijiraji akpa ton akpa vena ton kraima ta chi ba toke kakaka ikaja la foi ka vai ma rokono be bla ton va tenga ke foi amato alfara ka blan son ima refunto anava chi alamo ta mahama globe mion to nyafa ba eyame fe totro chi aka jama wero go charama marake weo chi akokpe ma chi fe lulu me ka ja manye nya fiu no ma weo paje ma daka ne cha tan ma ha nya bo gota o yo ke le nya sha mo te cha o ro mo ko cho wa pe u gota o abo gbeto ha fubo ve tara ne ramata ya bo gberu ro gbeto ha ta kokoko ha gbeto mi uto ko mi peru o mo yo ta la ma shiva lamu baba ho. All right, Accra floods. Mahama orders removal of structures in waterways. Achoma ke Mahama no yamovume helicopter me no chacha ya no pon whatever da ba ro fiare ke sisia ku ya ko jibo gbanka ajo no de ngora amova ho kyosyo chaso yo ko o wature chiupo got out to prechi tofo amova ho yo watu yo Hermone church what put a burger or to a chivano cocha match a quamia that to throw to a red dina magajabo noramata or background. All right, stay indoors, avoid floodwaters presidency. A chomaka to copola gapung by Mashamana no apame Mashamana no Mona no home. No, not when I show Nina Hoko, none of my boy. You don't tell me, yeah, in a guy. ya lo fun vira chachano paparazzi completo e ci va lo mia un to nyama. So stay indoors and avoid drama. According to the presidency, stay indoors, avoid flood waters. Presidency. The presidency has urged residents in flood-affected communities to remain vigilant and strictly adhere to safety advisories as heavy rainfall continues to trigger flooding in parts of the country. In a public safety advisory issued on Monday, the presidency called on residents who are already in safe locations to remain indoors and avoid unnecessary movement until conditions improve. It also warned against attempting to cross flooded roads, whether on foot or on vehicles, stressing that doing so could put lives at risk. All right, another just a little bit more on that. Okay, so I think that's that. This is an obstructive word, I know. The people are not serious. All right, residents whose homes are being inundated by floodwaters have been advised to move immediately to higher ground and call the emergency number 112 for assistance. The presidency further cautioned motorists to avoid flood-prone routes, including Malam Kasua Road, Alajo, and Graphic roads. All right, Dukokula Lauta. No, Halumia, Dukokula, Yufia, some of the Mission of National Gobuta, Chamber, Yakbung, Beto, Na, Anyaba, Gotakanda, Intuora Maluf, a Chibana Moro, Gibraltar, Tabano, Terafuma, Yari Picha, Pichal over here, we're not bow. Mutami Duplato, Watana, Panato, Da Yema. All right, Monday's rains among highest in several years, Mahama. Halefia, the Koklava, Yatapa, Chica, Jajuria Bella, Magapu, Togu, Buaro, Kavaimo, MPP government flood response marked by confusion and failure. MPP government's flood response marked by confusion and failure. MPP government's flood response marked by confusion and failure. MPP told you. Government digital for you, yale. Echiamuranku. To go on your cowgolo, Nachachitre, or Bumiam, at Bushman, maybe I do smart right, I'm a black when come on a Chiwama to Wogola. So, a chief family, I'm confused. All right, avoid non-essential travel to South Africa. Government urges. Avoid non-essential travel to South Africa. Government urges. All right, so Mawele Banaya Tadel Fia. Nyakbo my joy on my joy news Nyakbo on Yakabum Lafma. This year, Baloko over your phone, Jibane or Wowe, let Chagifia. Maybe I look at Lepe Parasia, a Chiluko local paper, to 12 years. The Fungi Baneo, Wowe, let Chagifia, Tao, Pomimilla, Nyakbo, Nyaracavaro, Yoga, Galabane, Honjira, Odomatorio, won't okay. Let's see some updates coming from the other papers. Nemi chofuma yakbun no matata ora yakbun no matata yo tatam le me pofunoji ichiapa modere yakbo alabe mapunchuru nchi na ya na yara morning alabe we'll see how it goes. All right. Let me TV oji amiga bopom Joy Online, Joy on Accra flood, death toll rises to 9 as rescue teams intensify operations. Ta nyama di dinko, ajaba nyata fe beto ma sheke ku lechi o ma hoko kwa nyama. Anya Professor Santo, defisu ha elema, ikapana matata mnyekbo do ngwa. All right, woman, 2 children found dead in floodwaters at Domi. Oh wow. Woman, 2 children found dead in floodwaters at Domi. Oh, too bad. Le Domi, Adjouasafo, Untoho, Monye, Empile, Domi. Gota ganda le Domi, Nyame Kenya Domi, Gota ganda le Domi, Necho, Kwabenya, Abom Junction, Zoma Kadu, Atomic Down, here Junction, que tout Domi, Katan, ne tout Domi, Fiale Lionava Domi Crossing. Domi Crossing. Que le Domi Crossing, tu vois, railway crossing, Yafma, Gota ganda, tout Domi Crossing, Afuma, Gota ma, Penya Blomimile, Fi que Kitiki. Wa chona male dina male le Domi Domi Crossing Gota gare cho Agbogba to Agbogba School Junction va to Hacho Rabbit chionya lo chionya tonye kenya kafla ne kulima mawana tawa krechi chakoro no bla 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 Gota mama leng beshagba lena ma beshagba koshira venye vai ha Tobiare chi Gota mama kakaya mu funchunchi fun la ba mele ya che dara ya mana we ta mo bo ko ngba ti la fia bia pere ngoro ne nya che chom de ji ko yo mi le 0242 67077 ji kaba na oso nya jora mojiro jora moji lo kopo ji fifila la gbo kopo ji ka kamera kamera nya sa pere tora kamera nya sa tu mani na ma 0242 67077 no ba ji bo no show officially na be ade dipoko na yo toma ikecho gbogbo afma va to Rabbit Hacho Rabbit va to Domi Crossing banya gbamemile elle nyomare plefia nyomare ple nyom de viomofe so woman and 2 found dead in flood water your wall do a charo miola ku wa touchla ta mira kuku ni la fiable mi apre nyanchi ajaba nya chona atona mi alaba nya awu motona mi all right ni troy the news magbo a woman and 2 children have died in floodwaters at Domi following heavy rain fall in Accra. Okay, so that's that. And the 3 bodies were recovered after floodwaters inundated sections of the community, adding to the growing death toll from Monday's devastating floods. The identities of the victims have not yet been officially released. The latest tragedy comes as several parts of Accra, including Alajo, Kaneshia, Dabraka, Weja, and sections of the Malam Kaswa Highway, experienced severe flooding following hours of torrential rainfall. The floods submerged homes, stranded motorists, disrupted traffic, and damaged vehicles and other properties. Authorities have urged residents living in flood-prone communities to move to safer locations whenever water levels begin to rise, to avoid attempting to walk or drive through floodwaters. Over a cho fetchia ikaramo anaba mekenyam to a tofe amara to for ruwa wonchi ofum ugbomere chaga jana ma maraka ka banu ho tsina no ho pila gbo kolon no pila nchi de le homo ho bia mu udna re kona me fike pila le pi na ho mu ne ho do mu ajia me wo ho mu jeme titi na e ho mu na jena wana la fuma na go na me o susu go be titi na go go jiba no awo na le kolombo nga poko go na ho mu jema ke kafra we bi ya wo lo ake gbagbeto na ta atabi peto bi na rengo bi na haji hafa ta na no kona me nya gbanto gbo mo la mama no nia na dezingiaji na dogo na ta dogo na dogo re ho mu jema ko bo na de hotam nya re ha gbo mu ne kafra ne liko ho chigar ho mu ma ko ne ata fu flese ano tere flese ato fa ne me te flese to no go na ata de hota ma hafa ga ka bo hota ma de na ba ro ma ka ma ro bo bi fi na jina cha mo blow ta na me te wo ko na no ko na me ona bi eji onyo anogbe anagbogbo anagbogbo afi no ma wa yo ta enya da ro mo la mo ba ma no ko na shi na ipoji te fa ro yo ba poji pla ka me ta na po mere ko ta me sa na no jo to te mo ke mi yo mala ju weja te mo ka ta mi yo kota ganglo bu mo ko yo fi ha ba e tra to do mi le railway agbo keteke fo to ko fi aka ko keteke na pe pon o na shama ji do na she ko ji keteke ba to na le do mi fa nya gbo me ata ji wa ta fu ma le gbe ta yo le no yo po no ya ple di vie fo yo le chama o mo fi ko chu to bra o mo nyo pa ko la ba charo ho chu ke ta fara a to yi na ta ma nya na ne ke ji mi aso mu chu agbo ala ke be ji ke all right, me got try the my joy on and afuma me got bo nkaga le afuma ha ya jojo ban lo ko le yama o bo me le da dia no drainage system could have stopped Accra flood disaster Muntaka. No drainage system could have stopped Accra flood disaster Muntaka ke ji o do mo ka ke po na me po de ji no ji bo vito de ji safo ke de ji ba opajo dudo pa alojo do pa le yo popo te ko mbe po nya jo jomle he afoko ni ma mi ju yo biso ko ta globo re ke na jere ke ta ko ta ne nya disaster enya to me ji menye ma glo be ko ta mo lu be to go ta re ke ma le sia re ke atanga akutana nya la bana ko taluru na didi ha ma jaga tadi la nyonya ta ma afoko ne ma jeni ta mi lang pe na ko ko chi mi da avese se vene to come più allo fumo ko non to pagbe don chimo so no drainage system could have stopped Accra flood muta ka gbe o susu ya gbo mu na lo nya nya ma nya ni menya mi ama strong da ka ma kaji ba muta ka na de ma su bole ki ta ame yo keleki yo ka chuhu ola hu ame yo ka flower ala ba to legi ame yo ka bokata ka tamle to le tamanle ye am ka so subore gi tan ore leki mi ga mimi atu edifia ga rekios me atu edifia ga rekios me atu kios ada gbeji aba fomo ye nyele ne no ta mutaka mi seton ha kaka please Mira cuckoo. Makayu. All right. Mahama proposes new city to decongest flood-prone Accra after Monday disaster. So that's another last one there, or second to last. Mahama proposes new city to decongest flood-prone Accra after Monday disaster. That Mahama. Ego glombe egian to jigo go to do ego du koro le ogwo to do abe Beijing li le Beijing China to fo to ho to Beijing li ikenye new Beijing yo kanto akata gbo to ne yafuma ho kata audio no ho kata le abale ke ono no le ela nye fiaso ela ya mgo to mo ko ela nye to po anya Tokyo o kaka to Shanghai is the same glass city, so it's possible to have rebuilt cities. We can build a whole new city, a well-planned city. Mahama proposes new city to decongest flood-prone Accra after Monday disaster. Ta Mahama benyang pokboy mi vision onye na mi horem jaji na mi khweta mabe da buata tukini rudo persona nonye mo na noni ko town na noni ne kutaba ka New Jerusalem ne chifola ni bana haweri atrema ko de mano nyamakata azumanya Europeans. All right, fuel prices set for sharp drop from July 1 as petrol, diesel and LPG get cheaper. Fuel prices set for sharp drop from July 1 as petrol, diesel, and LPG Gachiba Bana Womba Ashu Mifasha Tadidi, the Fujimian Guaraponta Bag Tober. Alright, we tried the whole day, Nyakbo and Yanakavar Fia, Komia, Ahodomachucho. Adam Sabafia hails Mohammed's digital sector overhaul. Okay, Adam Sabafiama, Evono Tatal of Maga, Bogombe, Dakbana, Mahama, where Zamodam, Bon Kyoko, Odoro, Duaro, Lemiapo to Naunchi, Emma, Sabafiano Chachan, Tokatama, and Ocampeo, Plato, Taha, La Endissima. Trending our amunto view privilegiable and you have the Yarika Jati Babajan Veazu. She went along Paratone and DC like Ganakata Globuta in Yapon Color from Maka Nanika Momla Machana Waves Sudan debt ice strategic something. So Majimachale just a quick one on that one. China, something about China. Yeah, nay the whole the world Nana Lafuma, and I think I will just end there. I'll go for a short break and we'll be back. China waives sudden debt, eyes strategic gain. China waives Sudan debt, China waives Sudan debt, eyes strategic gain. Khartoum has announced that Beijing has forgiven a $50 million loan, a fiscal reprieve that eases Sudan's external obligations while recalibrating the strategic relationship between the two countries. The waiver arrives amid Sudan's protracted macroeconomic distress and China's enduring interest in Red Sea access to so the cancellation reduces near-term debt service pressure, freeing limited fiscal space for stabilization, humanitarian response, and essential imports. And the measure may also improve Sudan's negotiating posture with multilateral creditors, signaling renewed goodwill from a major bilateral lender. All right, Xi Jinping, you know, Tatamala Banotade, China Tov to Coprola. Ele banota de moment je tutu ni odo chojuman ka goglombe garo yo ka Sudan dulen chalo faro ka Sudan dulen chia yo choko ko alaba ko Sudan Africa pa to correct ka sinon ikenya tu mak ba khosio lo shala ka mokpopo enyaba mi la na yo ko fo ko du lon che ko cho ko we ko yo ha yo bomo agaro fa ami do ma alaba of wa mi ono ye nya nyari ka bome mi lele afuma. All right, me fam pola do ma chuchu fo yi nya ma va ko bala shaka baro cho am ka de ma bana na mo trova ko nya a chowona akwachi toni magbo nya nya que donc je vais bâtir le Jimfuga hostel le boto e preto nyai ikala nyagbo fia konwenye e chi famele da mira kuku ni bia we myoha mya po chuchu kata na va nyagbo chuchu kata no va nyagbo ala we mia auto chonchi kabaka ko mia achowona ako Akwachi 0242670773 inomba kalemiabo no mahosho gbadashima o mafia mi no matataro uyu kalemiabo cho chifon gbagban lan to katam nyapon chuchu onova mo kata khala kana mo chuchu pia kana mo wa yacho wana Akwachi toni magwanya
no silence ever English dictionary yatepa but see dictionary aka zon fi e passer ke no silence ever English dictionary standard ton yeah standard yeah and you know the view enyuna de vio kanu le basic level enyuna ame kanu le SHS enyuna ame kanu le university alo le language on na nya make manya gbegbe fiu e bi strong gbegbe kra ha no science ebe English dictionary enyuna ha amasia make na nya vi mo jura po e bi strong gbegbe ha no science ebe English dictionary enyu na wa mama na le din le boso so ma de na kula atia place order le Amazon alo number ka na call screen Nigeria okodumeto de ka na WhatsApp afisi african la nya call no science ebe English dictionary akwa koveno akpe no science ebe English dictionary enyu nto.
Looking to ship products from Germany to Ghana? Nivaj Services makes it simple. We ship groceries, health supplements, books, and everyday essentials directly from Germany to you. Imagine buying authentic groceries, toiletries, and fresh dairy hassle-free from Germany. Our reliable service brings the best of German quality to you. From cereals to health supplements, snacks to toiletries, we've got you covered. Shopping is easy. Contact Nivaj Services and we handle the rest. Fast, reliable, hassle-free shipping you can trust. WhatsApp us at +233 591 415 506.
Hello viewers, welcome to Rex Stitches. Afienye nyongo plentuo penu tofe. Your wedding gown, your strauss, office wear, beach wear, you can name them. Sports wears for both male and female. Ne miajima antewa kpomi le powerhouse le ho. Ne eina de Frajet Hotel. Nye le moji tututututu. Ne chobie na junction na de Frajet Hotel gbo tututututu afima emie lenye ma. You can reach us on this telephone number 0246 256 300 0246 25 6300.
Go. Oh, what the? Let go, Joel.
Oh, very much. If I don't quit them, you to put it. I can't do my traditory. When you want to put a killer.
Oh,
never for fun. Never got to my tomb. I'm not to go.
That another Abraham, if you better kind of lay a party to point for boy hour. But the husband did not fear. Coco not do not forget a winnie ya, Yapon or Passy Banico, who went on Yan Kurama. Well, a Passy Coco for Yakokatara.
Well, I'm not to go.
Vai, but I can lose to go. In the big dad as a Cremonton toe. Vola Paticawa, Busiolo, wait off here.
When you vola tobo, you man no Chicago, Mokpong Jaja.
Vola chika no plan na zama fiva nana kama furaga nao mashama nazi
nyapa to do wala to fita itanye za vola chika nyato motoro ha woza vola chika fufu jijila ama
this vola piki vola baby
ma una yira vola to ona wala masa
Vola pachika wala chika drapo kata alo gado pa dayo pamela akblawu wojango St. Peter and Paul Catholic Church atututu le hoa apola old fashioned la akwe kala hwahwe gada wojila agodoma Yellow House Street wojango local restaurant atututu opa dopo la hudi gba ochogba chongdiga adrekla afava dashina fiega aton kala mamlida gbewa oja dogoma ndiga andrekla afa odashina ndogawi efe pokana vola le 0244 512 1452
vola
Nina nemiayi, vola eva senta. Afima mia pota yola, nyadeba, vola. Efi valo, akulori le fuda now, alele le fuda now, domaru le fuda now. Achite padaka, ufuto makata, mele tomo nyidewa. Eti makolo no ba, na ile vola eva senta. Ikele jengo aplau, Victoria Park. Afima na kodo wotu akame wa puto wo fukame o fukama tutu dokata vola heba center Dr. Prosper Debeneba akodo come on vola
kadon kwajiba vola pachika munyuna funo nyonu onu nama vikle.
That new African is ready to fight his own battle and show that after all, the black man is capable of managing his own affairs.
La bring back to the bomb. Cho nyapo wana ko nyapo wana yo kremia no condition di le bao cho ke madakpene ni katabe mile miagbo mana mi nyabe e se blan le kento we blan le nyapa muganto mafia la mobo nyapo nya jojo kaka hachu le kapovo voao alwo le nyo daranyina ni majiwe nya acho ako afiami mle kaba rokejin nya shona no jumata ni ni akpon chifon gbegbo na matrova nya asenya pon chocho.
Oh, master.
My name is Dr. Ekpo Enyima Aka. I am a lecturer at the University of Education, Winneba. This morning, we have a midterm examination. My student called me and informed me that she cannot get a car from APAP. to come and write the exams. So I chartered a taxi and we trekked there to go to pick her up. Within 10 minutes of returning, this place is completely deluged and flooded, and we could not return to write the mid-semester examination. So this has been the experience. You could see that the road is completely inundated. People cannot pass, traffic cannot pass, cargo cannot pass. It has come to a complete standstill. The argument is that what we are seeing is a climatic change, because the trend of the rainfall has become so erratic.
Oh, master.
My name is Dr. Ekpo Enyima Aka. I am a lecturer at the University of Education, Winneba. This morning, we have a midterm examination. My student called me and informed me that she cannot get a car from APAP to come and write the exams. So I chartered a taxi and we trekked there to go to pick her up. Within 10 minutes of returning, this place is completely deluged and flooded, and we could not return to write the mid-semester examination. So this has been the experience. You could see that the road is completely inundated. People cannot pass, traffic cannot pass, cargo cannot pass. It has come to a complete standstill. The argument is that what we are seeing is a climatic change, because the trend of the rainfall has become so erratic.
Batipo, you make boy near Alekecha modem le nyap le ntumamlome ke akbobe amope nzazan amope kafla khomangu onko shokata kanya myoko to chople lo bagbo mo ke kwatana chibalo hoje ru amo blim frijo ble to boga bao khomo nzazan gbe to nzazan share ko o blim le sha echafashime ke mi ngo bayire Central Region Tomafuma University College of Education Winneba but lecturer ka enyima aka akpo apon choba de tukpono yoshi ka ipasuku yare ayo ba aw shalaga yo kuku yo matan buna tukpono wala ba echi afuda maragbo ka aye mfiala ka enyima aka kwa echo edafu chorura wono ba chosuku ya basu bota ya tango yo kwa subari na moluto sukwa hana to kupleo tasi loko ba choma yi ba chu suku ya bana ko chi ba chomo chi ba chomo yo mo fu ke ka ba tu fara ko ga le na fu anto kra ke ma nyana ne ke ba jo go suku ya ro chi to pa pa mi yo ke ba dongo o de ga ko ji la to ye mi o ke yi chi le nya ba wini ma to ma ha echo echidamo le ton to me apolo fu na le gin ala kare ka mi anu jo class jagire me no kele fu ti we strogbe subject tula apomo katale la mazato apomo katale ta echi fa me da enyina ni ke va tu kara gare ne mi kata ayo preto mi savina mi la ba bativiji anyima ka po nye former SRC president the University of Ghana, a memo, Jujinama, and Yakbanam going marker, as a teacher, alone lecturer. So that's that. Yo, Yapon Polo, church and Yanchita, Massa Batora, Yatoni Magboy, a plumile, Dio Namarum Kujiba, Awi Madua, Tola in a rich stitches, Mafomo, Ikale, Fragile Hotel, Botutu, Na Adobe Junction. Le powerhouse na bia private hotel no get la ma ko na ta para go ye to wi ana matak bana mau fomo restage store for domaga ba awon ta ko do to ya na ma ado ma dak bana nya for hotel na ma chiang to ma for South Abraham la honorable Richmond Adam Kofi Potosu ba ha ala kamaklin alawa choga homa buboro choga panyanchi ba miapo wona duate mi dapane honorable Richmond Kofi Potosu mila mapopon ba nyasanko abajimawu. All right, mi adapane Neva J ba ho ko panyanchi bele aga le miapa wona woman ke mi dapane New Slings Ever Dictionary alawa ba mi han ko panyanchi plaga bugwaro mi so wona mi dakbene fola hawal clinic to be o ko premianchi alawe wona chacham le yabo di kakam le hikagatame wala nyajujo bofwe odumatore share kule ke donc jibe nia be bativia mile ho le ho technical university amatututu la woto tata agarimiaji la ho technical university amatututu ala na va fiko na wajimfuka hosako fuma nyelema nya akbaremu na bubudodo fo nya wome ke na be ayomi ha number ko jenti ya jata yo dum to le share ayo ata yom la 0242670773G ala ni kan be akwa kwara wona jana na manyako ni fisha finale yata ado no akwejo woma kuku koge le filia ke bonamo amachi wala ne nyo badala ne nyo mo fo nya blola ne nyo mo nya kakala ne nyo ashichala ne nyo donc ba shicha chablu ma to nya gbaru ta kere nya ja na prenyen chi alawe nya kpere nwolo ko bubudodo ncho ekomije ben bati before na goma akala mau fama go mo la mio pe tulon no vion lo le défia de con le défi en avait mio mi fonko achacha mi to po ta mi da pa mi kata ke mi me ke ko sama amu ke nano pa prenya chiwo onya borang na mi ben mio ha ya prenya chiple eka down that when Honorable Richmond and Kofi Potosu rich stitches, Fola Herbal Clinic, New Slings, every dictionary, Bakbala, Fola Herbal Clinic, me, Berenchina, wona me yo ayi church me asma to gbato kwa chima to na Mary kasemi akojo adenta meta pene Emmanuel Kusogbo kasemi akojo we miano vio kata semi akojo aflawu message u gare chu badura mo chu of maka miano vio kacho abo ya ro message na me konye mama Krista semi akojo abo miano vio kasemi akojo adapla hunda patience me that kono esina semi akojo gudupe esha iro na message na mi Peter semi anko jo tesiare no akbano be semianko ke Innocentia le Trafalgar message na part do message na cholope mikata o medakona mi ke ochia manye le ko ngayo ha media personality of the year amuganto ta Volta Media Excellence Awards o toshiji manye media personality of the year Nyao masabe nyao nominate ke mi garmu kwa mi hwe kana jibe mabujia ke star 928 star 779 hash ye fogana rufunaji star 928 mara kunwa roti ya ji star 928 star 779 hash alo star 714 star 779 hash star 714 star 779 hash ye niacho ako achiam albamadere ho biblia maka VME 32 nye number ta no posta 714 star 779 hasha kana po VME 32 kuka acham kama Volta Media Personality of the Year akbanami nkakabana janami. Bye bye.
Nane mano monsieur eye na mezwale de kona kwanya moda menye de mefion yo ayaye bomlo de kona kwanya moda menye de mechio ayaye womlo ayakwe womlo ameda evi metena holo ode ameda evi metena holo